we're going to the movies. Manonood kami ng La La Land. It's sort of late para sa, this movie. I haven't watched it yet. So maybe I'll take videos of Manhattan and, the Bronx just to have updates.
I think Tantan Men or Tonkotsu. Meron kang fried finito.
Tonkatsu ako.
I think Tantan Men na lang yung akin.
Yeah, ito yung sa akin.
Tantan Men?
No, tonkatsu.
Tonkotsu. Sobrang gutom. Sarap. Gochiso sama deshita. Oh my god, hindi namin na-notice for parang merong sewing machine sa baba. Ganda rin ng sapatos ng kapatid ko, no? Jordan. Hashtag made in China.
Sarap ng ramen! Currently here at Union Square. Uy, anong comment mo mama sa ramen? Masarap na?
Yummy.
Yummy? Oh my God, ang ganda ng La La Land. As in, sobrang hindi pa ako nakaget over. Actually, ngayon, eto. Actually, hindi ako makaget over. Seryoso, nanonood ako ng Crazy Stupid lang after sa nangyari kahapon. Ang ganda talaga ng La La Land. As in, ang ganda talaga ng pairing tsaka ng chemistry. Emma Stone and Ryan Gosling. So, siguro today, papanoorin ko yung The Notebook just because Ryan Gosling. Diba? Pero, actually, hindi ko alam kung anong gusto kong gawin for the videos. Maybe keep on watching. Hopefully, I can make more. So, yeah. Thanks. Salamat.